This dance is called Neon Blue. It's a 64 count, 4 wall, improver level line dance with 3 restarts. Starting on the right foot, touch the right beside the left, touch the right heel beside the left, touch the right beside the left again, kick the right to the right side. Into a little weave, crossing the right behind the left, left to the side, cross the right over, hold. That set of steps once more. Toe, heel, toe, kick off on the right. 7, 8. Toe, heel, toe, kick, behind, side, cross, hold. You can do another set of those, very similar, with the left foot leading. So you're going to touch the left beside the right, touch the left heel beside the right, touch the left toe beside the right again, kick the left to the side. Cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, step forward on the left, hold. That set of steps once more then. Toe, heel, toe, kick off on the left. 7, 8. Toe, heel, toe, kick, behind, side, step, hold. So add those two sections together. Toe, heel, toe, kick off on the right. 7, 8. Toe, heel, toe, kick, behind, side, cross, hold. Toe, heel, toe, kick, behind, side, step, hold. Step forward on the right, hold. Pivot yourself half a turn to the left, hold. Step forward on the right, hold. Pivot a quarter turn to the left, hold. So 2 step pivots with holds in between. That set of steps once more then, off on the right. 7, 8, step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold. Now you are actually doing the equivalent of a 3/4 turn in that section. See how you get on with the music. You might find those pauses is enough for you to be able to dance that sequence of steps. Should you find you are struggling and you need to try and take that 3/4 turn out, what you can actually do, rock forward on the right, hold, recover on the left, hold. Rock back on the right, hold, as you recover your weight, make a quarter turn right, hold. So non-turning steps should you need to try and take that 3/4 out from that section. Otherwise, let's add that to the top. Toe, heel, toe, kick off on the right. 7, 8. Toe, heel, toe, kick, behind, side, cross, hold. Toe, heel, toe, kick, behind, side, step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold. Into an extended weave to the left. So you're going to cross the right over left, step left to the side, cross the right behind, step left to the side, cross the right over. To extended weave. Add on a mambo cross. So you rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, cross the right, the left over the right. That set of steps once more then, extended weave to the left, right foot leading. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross. That's our halfway point, let's take it up to there. Toe, heel, toe, kick off on the right. 7, 8, toe, heel, toe, kick, behind, side, cross, hold. Toe, heel, toe, kick, behind, side, step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross. From our halfway point, Monterey half a turn twice. So you're going to point your right out to the side, make half a turn right as you bring the right beside the left. Point the left to the side, step the left beside the right. It's your first Monterey half, and repeat. Point the right to the side, half turn right, bring the right beside the left, point the left to the side, left beside right. 2 Monterey halves, just do that once more. Half on the right. 7, 8, point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close. Now you are actually doing a full turn in that section with those 2 Monterey halves. Should you need to try and take that out, don't do any turning, just point the right to the side, right beside left, left to the side, left beside right. Point, close, you just do that twice. So it takes out that full turn from that section, should you need to eliminate it. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left. Cross the right behind the left, rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, cross the left behind the right, right to the side, cross the left over, so a little weave. Now set of steps once more then, side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock behind, side rock behind, side cross. So add that to our halfway point, Monterey halves, off on the right. 7, 8, point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close, side rock behind, side cross. Take a big step to the side on the right, point, touch the left beside the right, point the left to the side, touch the left beside the right. So you're doing some points. In, out, in. Repeat with the left foot. Big step to the side on the left with these points. You're touching the right beside the left, point to the side, touch the left beside the right. Now that set of steps once more. Off on the right into those points. 7, 8, side in, out, in, side in, out, in. So add that to our halfway point. Montereys off on the right. 7, 8, Monterey half, side rock behind, side cross, side in, out, in. Add on a rocking chair, right foot leading, so you rock forward on the right, recover on the left, rock back on the right, recover on the left, and a V step. Zip the right diagonally to the right, left diagonally to the left, right back where it came from, left beside the right. Now a set of steps once more then, rocking chair and V step off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, out, in, close. That is the end of the dance. When you get to that point, let's add that to a halfway position. Monterey halves off on the right. 7, 8, Monterey half, side rock behind, side cross, side in, out, in, rocking chair, out, in, close. Now I should say in that last section, you have got the option in there. The choreographer has said, normally we give you non-turning steps. For this one, I'm going to give you some turning alternatives. So instead of doing that rocking chair, you can actually do a double step pivot half. Step forward on the right, pivot half, turn left. Step forward on the right, pivot half, turn left. Then go into your V step. So optional turning steps, should you wish to add that in that last section. I'll be doing the choreographed rocking chair. So that is your 2 halves. Let's add them together. Toe heel toe kick off on the right. 7, 7, 8, toe, heel, toe, kick behind, side, cross, hold, toe, heel, toe, kick behind, side, step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, Monterey, half, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, in, out, in, rocking chair, out, in, close. That's your dance, and there's not an and count in sight. Single count timing throughout. But it is a 4-wall dance. So I'm going to go through the other 3 walls, and I'm also going to speed it up as we go through them, because the music is just a little bit faster. Toe, heel, toe, kick off on the right. 7, 8, toe, heel, toe, kick behind, side, cross, hold, toe, heel, toe, kick behind, side, step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, Monterey, half, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, in, out, in, rocking chair, out, in, close, toe, heel, toe, kick behind, side, cross, hold, toe, heel, toe, kick behind, side, step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, Monterey, half, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, in, out, in, rocking chair, out, in, close, toe, heel, toe, kick behind, side, cross, toe, heel, toe, kick behind, side, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, Monterey, half, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, in, out, in, rocking chair, out, in, close. So that's your dance. Now there are 3 little restarts in this dance. They all come at the same point, which is after 48 counts. So it's just before you get to your large step to the side points section. So you don't start that, you restart instead. And it comes on walls 2, 4 and 6. So all the even walls have a restart in them. So every time you start the dance facing either 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock, you know you've got a restart coming up. So let's take wall 2, 48 counts, restart the dance. Toe, heel, toe, kick off on the right. 7, 8, toe, heel, toe, kick behind, side, cross, hold, toe, heel, toe, kick behind, side, step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, Monterey, half, side, rock, behind, side, cross, restart, toe, heel, toe, kick behind, side, cross. So that's your restart point. 48 counts into walls 2, 4 and 6 of all the even walls. That's it. That is your dance, your walkthrough and your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. 5, 6, 7, 8, toe, heel, toe, kick behind, side, cross, toe, heel, toe, kick behind, side, step, step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, Monterey, pop, Monterey, pop, side, rock behind, side, rock behind, side, cross, side, out, inside, in, rocking chair, out, in, toe, heel, should we start walk? Toe, heel, toe, kick behind, side, step, step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, Monterey, half, Monterey, half, side, rock behind, side, rock behind, side, rock, should we start with heel? Toe, heel, step, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, Monterey, half, Monterey, half, side, rock behind, side, cross, side, in, out, inside, in, rocking chair, out, in, toe, heel, next restart, toe, heel, toe, kick behind, side, step, step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, Monterey, half, Monterey, half, side, rock behind, side, let's restart, toe, heel, pivots, breathe, Monterey, side rock, side points, rocking chair, toe heel, next restart wall, pivots, Monterey, side rock behind, side rock behind, side behind, stars. Bluer than the skies, bluer than the sound of a steel guitar cry. Why she up and left this I'll never know. Why she turned my whole guitar apart. Neon blue. Hope you managed that one.